Guys, welcome to another video. So today I'm going to show you my haul from the $5.95 sale plus the follow-up $2.95 travel sale and then the buy one get one free candle sale. So quite a few things, but I'll go through them quickly. So if you're interested in seeing what I got from Bath and Body Works, stay tuned. Okay, first I'll show you the buy one get one free candles. So I got 3 iced lemon pound cake and 1 golden honeycomb. So I ended up buying these in 2 separate orders because I had a 25% off coupon and I had a $5 off birthday reward and I couldn't use them together. So I bought the, 2 candles, got 25% off, plus they were, 50% off. So got them for a really good price. And then I did another purchase with the 2 candles, and then I got $5 off of that, plus the buy one get one free. So the iced lemon pound cakes are $24.95, and then the golden honeycomb is $26.95. And the iced lemon pound cake to me smells very similar to the body care. So if you like that, you'll definitely like this. And then the golden honeycomb is just a nice soft scent on cold. I think I'll like it. So once I actually burn it, I'll tell you guys how I like it in an empties video. So that is it for the candles. Okay, first I'm going to show you what I got from the online. So at the $5.95 sale, all of the body care was on sale and they had $50 free shipping if you spent $50. So I knew I wanted to get iced lemon pound cake and I wanted to get a couple of sets because I already have 1 body mist and 1 body cream. So I got 2 more body mists. I have 2 backups of the body mist. I got 1 body cream. So now that gives me 2 body creams, which will be enough. And then I got 3 shower gels. So I'm pretty good on iced lemon pound cake and happy that I have all of these. Then Tutti Frutti candy, I had 1 full set. And so I wanted just 1 backup of the body spray and another shower gel. So that's what I got. So that gives me 2 of the mist, 2 of the shower gels, and then 1 lotion, which will be good. And then when I got the body cream for sweet petal pound cake, it was just okay. I didn't love it, but I didn't hate it. And then after just kind of thinking about it before this sale came, I figured, okay, if they have a good sale, I'll get it because I have some kind of rose scented perfumes that I think this would go well with. So I just got 1 and don't plan on getting any backups. So that was in my online order. Okay, so for the Gingham Collection, I went in store because I wanted to smell all of these. Again, everything was $5.95 except for the soap. I waited because I had heard that there was going to be a travel size sale. So I waited. So the soap was $2.95 because I got it when they had the $2.95 sale. And then everything else was $5.95. So when I went in, I clearly really liked Gingham Gorgeous. And so I got 2 of the moisturizing body washes, 1 mist, and then the body scrub. I decided to pass on the cream because my body cream collection is getting pretty big and I feel like I have a cream that I definitely can find to pair with this. So pretty happy with this. If they have another really great sale, I may get a backup fragrance mist, but other than that, I'm not really looking for anything else from that. I did smell Gingham Fresh and I just didn't like it. It was something about it. It smelled better on paper than it did on my skin. And it smelled better to me on the dry down than it did the initial mist, but not enough for me to get it. And like I've said in a couple of previous videos, this year I'm really trying to make sure that anything I add to my collection are things that I really would wear. And I wouldn't wear that. And I knew that. So I didn't get that. And then Gingham Vibrant, I like this and I liked it enough to get 1 mist. I didn't want the body wash or anything else from this scent. So I'm actually just really good on this. I feel like I have different things that I can wear with this. So 1 is more than enough. So those are the ginghams that I added to my collection. Okay, really quickly for the tropical line, I got one pink pineapple sunrise moisturizing body wash, one cocoa paradise, and then two of the golden mango lagoon. So that gives me, I think, four of the pink pineapple sunrise body washes. I think I have one other body wash for cocoa paradise, and then I have one other body wash for golden mango lagoon. So happy with that. Don't plan on adding to this. I mean, semi-annual sale kind of depends on what my shower gel is looking like at that point. I may throw one of these in there, but it really would depend on how many I've gone through by semi-annual sale. So those are the tropical things that I added to my collection. Okay, so the last thing I added was from that new collection. I'm not sure what it's called. The other one that comes in this is the Sea Island Breeze or Seashore Breeze, which I don't like. The packaging is pretty, but I don't like that, so didn't get that. But went into again, I was in the store and I smelled amethyst waves and I really liked it. So I ended up getting two mist, one cream, and then two body washes. So I'm happy with that. I don't think I want anything else or any additional backups. Again, if it's still around at SAS in the summer and I've used at least one of these, then I may get some. But if I still have both of them, I won't get any more. And then Emerald Mist. So Emerald Mist, I sprayed it out on paper and I thought, okay, this is okay. And then I was doing other stuff. I still had the paper and I was like, I like this on the dry down better than when I first sprayed it. So I sprayed it on my skin and then initially it was just okay. But then the dry down is where it got me and I liked it. I liked it enough to go ahead and add a mist to my collection. And I do have quite a few pair, well, not quite a few. I have some pear fragrances that I think this will pair well with. And I actually, when I smelled it, I think I want to try it with my favorite perfume, Jimmy Choo. I feel like this might go well with that. So I have the one right now. I don't feel like I'm going to kind of add anything else. But, as I wear it, play around with it, if I fall in love with it and they still have it or they have a really good sale, then I'll get it. But if I end up falling in love with this and it's gone, I won't feel any kind of way. So that was Emerald Mist and Amethyst Waves. Okay, guys, so that is it for this haul. So again, everything was from the $5.95, the $2.95 travel sale, and then the buy one get one free candles. So that is it for now. If anything else, new comes out and it's something I'm interested in, of course, I will be back with another haul. Kind of hoping not, so my wallet can have a break. But check out my Bath and Body Works playlist. Thank you so much for watching. As always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys at the next one. Bye.